thoughts got hold as you talked and chewed on the last of your big mix. So you're mistaken if you're thinking that I haven't been caught cold before, as you bit into the strawberry leaves. Never for the attention in the form of a gobstopper. It's all you have left and it's going to waste. Your past times consisted of the strange, the twisted and deranged, and I love that little game you had home, crying like this, and how you like to have the ice cream on a rainy afternoon. Whoa! One time that I caught my own reflection was on its way to meet you, thinking of excuses to postpone. You never looked like yourself from the side, but your profile could not hide that you knew I was approaching your throne. We folded arms, you opened your eyes, the bench like toothy, stood up of your chest out like you never lost the war. And though I tried so well to suffer the indignity of a reaction, there was no close to rest, no gaps to close. Enjoy past times, consisted of the strange, the twisted and deranged. I ate a little game you had home, crying like it. How you like to aggravate the icky man on rainy afternoon. Oh, invited, but none of this impossible as everyone sees. You are crying like it. Last time was consistent of the strange, the twisted and deranged. I ate out, it's okay, you had come.